Hi, Bill Garvin here for Gnold USA. Okay, in this video what we're going to do is cover how to do a custom applique using your Gnold products. What I have hooped here is one piece of our cutaway backing, 2.5 ounce, with a piece of the twilly material. Of course, this can be done on your sweatshirts and t-shirts and jackets and everything of that nature. What we're going to do is an applique using the Felty material. Great surface for embroidery. It gives it a vintage look. We're also going to do our applique border on this using the Felty thread. That is the 12 weight acrylic thread to really give it a vintage look. And then we'll finish it up with some embroidery on the inside. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've applied my goodie stick material to the back of this felt. We're going to pull and remove the backing. This allows us to place the material, and the goodie stick material again is a substitute, for example, your spray adhesives. Okay, from there we're going to sew our outline of this design. The next step we're going to do is use our applique scissors that you can also purchase, a nice pair of Gingers from Gnold, to remove all of the excess material from the outside of the border. A lot of times this is much easier to do removing the hoop off of the machine onto a flat surface. Once the excess material is removed from the outside of the applique, remember to try to cut as close as possible to make sure that your satin stitch border, the applique stitch, does cover. We're ready to go ahead and start sewing the border. And remember, this time we're going to use the Felty, which is the 12 weight acrylic thread. Using the acrylic thread that is the 12 weight, you do have to keep in mind this is not normal embroidery. Your density is somewhere around 1/3 what you would normally set. So for example, in the software I use, I have a density setting of 6 is my normal fill, looks great every day. This is a density of 2. It is a much thicker, larger diameter thread, also using it with a 90-14 needle. Once finished, we get a nice vintage look using the Felty material with the Felty 12 weight acrylic thread, and then just some normal embroidery over the top.